Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to use Feral Leap. This powerful ability is Wolverine's signature grapple-style pounce, designed to isolate and carry a single target away from their team. It deals a solid 35 damage when you grab an enemy and another 35 upon impact, followed by 5 seconds of rapid berserker swipes. A crucial tip: Wolverine's entire body becomes the hitbox for the grab, so you don't need to aim precisely with your crosshair. Simply make contact. To consistently land Feral Leap, always initiate with Vicious Rampage to quickly close the gap, then immediately activate the leap as you make contact. This ensures a reliable grab. Focus on targeting weakened or squishy enemies, as full health opponents might escape after the brief stun. You can also strategically carry foes to the map's edge for environmental knockoffs. Remember, Feral Leap has a 12-second cooldown, so make every attempt count by getting as close as possible before activating it. For advanced play, you can cancel Feral Leap midair by using your dash, allowing you to stay close to your target and immediately follow up with Berserker Strikes for maximum damage. This is especially effective against ranged characters. Consider combining Feral Leap with your ultimate Last Stand by leaping into a group, activating Undying Animal, then unleashing your ultimate. Also, synergize with teammates, for example, fling enemies into Penny's mines or coordinate knockbacks with Invisible Woman for powerful combos. Strategic use of Feral Leap involves isolating key enemy targets from their team, pulling them into unfavorable positions. After a successful grab, body block your opponent to prevent their escape and ensure their elimination. Always observe the battlefield and wait for your targets to be preoccupied before initiating your leap. This dramatically increases your success rate. Beyond offense, Feral Leap is a versatile tool for quick repositioning or even escaping dangerous situations, offering both offensive and defensive utility in your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.